Hi, I'm Bradshaw. Whether your focus is B2B or B2C, join me as we explore some of today's leading enterprises. People and companies are beginning to care more about the health of the planet and the impacts they are making. Let's take a look at how some are going eco-friendly.
While it was once considered a nuisance byproduct without any marketable value, today, methane is adding significant profits to oil and gas companies' bottom lines. This colorless, odorless, flammable compound is the primary constituent of natural gas. Natural gas can typically be found mixed with produced crude oil. As the oil passes through pressure vessels in the production process and ultimately to oil storage tanks, the entrained natural gas is released from the oil and collects at the top of the tanks. As pressure from the gas builds, safety devices help keep the oil storage tanks from rupturing by releasing some of this gas into the atmosphere. Most states and the EPA have an allowable volume of gas that can be released from any specific well site.
There are two methods of managing gas vapors released from produced oil. Wells located in remote areas have the option of destruction by using either a flare or combustor system. For wells close to gas pipelines, a vapor recovery unit can be used. It will allow the gas to be pressured up and sent into the pipeline system to be processed.
By using vapor recovery technology, oil companies can capture the value of this resource and mitigate the environmental impacts of the release of methane. Founded in 2007, Whirlwind Methane Recovery Systems is a privately owned family business that manufactures one of the most reliable vapor recovery systems in the industry today.
Many of the issues that faced the VRUs in past years were unreliable compression systems, low discharge pressures, high lubricating rates, and very low run times. The Whirlwind VRU overcomes many of those with a reliable rotary screw compressor and accurate PLC controls.
The name Whirlwind represents the rotary screw compressor system that's used in the company's vapor recovery systems.
Whirlwind's VRU systems benefit from having higher discharge pressures, closed-loop lubrication, fewer moving parts, a smaller footprint, and a higher resistance to H2S corrosion. Whirlwind offered the industry's first zero-emission vapor recovery system. Whirlwind's standard system emits no gas or other emissions into the atmosphere.
Whirlwind's methane recovery systems feature programmable logic controllers, precise electronic sensors, and modulating recycle systems for accurate pressure, temperature, and volume control.
Once the PLC receives the signal from the tanks to automatically start, it will initiate a strobe light, and it'll open the recycle valve, and the unit will automatically start. Once it is timed out, the recycle valve will close, and the unit will start compressing gas to the discharge pressure that's desired. If the pressure in the vessels gets too low, the recycle valve will again open, and the unit will run and recycle. If it continues to drop, the unit will automatically shut down. The unit's designed to run unattended, automatically load, unload, and start and stop.
We found that Whirlwind products gave us much better run time, which meant that the noxious fumes produced by the hydrogen sulfide in surrounding communities was less of a factor with the better run time, and so it was really a big benefit to us.
Taking a customized approach, Whirlwind provides engineered products that are built to suit the needs of each client's specific applications. This helps to meet environmental requirements, reduce costs, and lessen the time of installation. Whirlwind also provides repair, maintenance, and training services.
My experience with Whirlwind is that they build a very compact, reliable package that takes up a small space on the offshore platform. It's operationally designed to meet or exceed customer requirements. It's very maintenance friendly. It's Class 1 Div 2 to meet the electrical requirements offshore, and overall provides a very robust unit for the customer.
As federal and state regulations increase, Whirlwind methane recovery systems will continue to play a vital role in the oil and gas industry. These systems help oil and gas companies to reduce methane emissions, protect the environment, and maximize product returns.